Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you most delicious recipe from Thai cuisine. So this is Thai stir-fried noodles recipe, guys. So if you like our videos, guys, don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, for this beautiful recipe, we are gonna use vegetable oil. In total, I'm gonna use 4 tablespoons. Then we are gonna use soya sauce. In total, we are gonna use 3 tablespoons. Then 1 teaspoon of honey, approximately 150 grams of chicken fillet, 2 pieces of carrot, 1 white onion, 2 pieces of green onion, 1 red pepper, 1 egg, 4 pieces of garlic, and if you can find, you can use rice sticks or you can use glass noodles, anything you can find in your area, guys. So I have this rice sticks, this is what I'm gonna use. Then guys, coming back to our most beloved spices. So for the spices, guys, I have separated spices into 2 bowls because we are going to use in totally different places. So first, we are going to start with salt, black pepper, red sweet pepper, and 1 piece of dried red hot chili pepper, guys. Also in separate bowl, we have here black pepper, red sweet pepper, and red hot chili pepper, guys. So let's get it started. So guys, we've prepared everything for cooking. First of all, I'm gonna go ahead and start with rice sticks. You can start with your glass noodles or whatever, depending on what you have. So guys, I'm gonna take them out carefully. And first, what I need to do is I have to soak them in cold water for 8 minutes. So this is what I'm gonna do now. Just add cold water, guys. So guys, while they are soaked in cold water, I'm gonna go ahead and start marinating our chicken. So for the chicken, I have cut the chicken lengthwise, just like this, guys. Medium size lengthwise. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then guys, we are gonna add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Okay. Now guys, it's time for the spices. So remember, I have separated the spices like this. So for marinating, I'm not gonna use salt because when cooking the veggies, I will have salt there. So for this one, for marinating, I'm gonna use black pepper, red sweet pepper, and red hot chili pepper, guys. Just mix them up, all of them. Just add it. Guys, I'm gonna mix it up with all this soya sauce and vegetable oil and all the spices. Guys, after mixing it well, we are gonna wait and leave it for marinating for 5 minutes. So guys, while our noodles are waited here for 8 minutes and our chicken is gonna be marinated for 5 minutes, we are gonna start cooking. So what we need is we are gonna open the fire on highest level, and then as I told you guys, I'm gonna use in total 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So I already used 1 tablespoon for marinating chicken, and here I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons. So this is 1, 2, and then 3. Our oil is hot. We are gonna start adding our chopped onions, white onion here. Do not add the green onion, it's for later, alright guys? Just white onion. Then guys, we are gonna add right away our diced garlic and just fry them together. So guys, when your onion is a little bit golden color, it's time for our chopped carrots. Carrots like matchsticks, alright guys? So we are gonna add the carrots now. And mix them. Time. It has been 5 minutes, so it's time now for our marinated chicken. Chicken is cooking, guys. I want to mix our egg, so you just break the egg and just you mix it, and now it's time to add our egg here. Add our red sweet pepper and our green onion cut it lengthwise. All of them, they go in, and we just mix them. It's time for the spices. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add our red hot chili pepper, dried one, just like this, and I'm gonna mix our spices. Here I've got salt, black pepper, and red sweet pepper, and it also goes in. Just mix it up. Guys, after that, it's time to close our food here. Guys, we put it aside, and what I'm gonna do is, so guys, now I'm gonna empty bowl of noodles. I'm gonna take out the cold water, and I'm gonna add here hot water. So guys, now I'm gonna add here hot water. I pre-boiled the water. I waited approximately 1 or 2 minutes, and now I'm gonna add here the water. When adding, make sure you make circles, all right? So it will be all around the noodles. And also make sure you cover noodles with hot water. Afterwards, guys, we are gonna close the top of it for 2 minutes. So guys, now it's time to prepare the sauce. What I'm gonna do is 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, 3. Then guys, it's time for the honey. So I'm gonna have here 1 teaspoon of honey. Make sure to mix it well. If you have sesame oil, you can use sesame oil. 1 tablespoon. I don't have sesame oil, so for that reason I'm gonna use vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon. Just mix it, guys. When making the sauce, also make sure that you don't want your noodles and the vegetable stir fry to become soupy or too much saucy. So you will have just approximately right about your taste. It should cover the noodles and it should cover the vegetables, but it shouldn't be all over. So just make sure you have that texture. Okay, it's ready now. So guys, it has been 2 minutes and our noodles are ready. If you want, you can cut them depending on how you like them. I'm gonna mix it with noodles. So what I want to do here, first I want to add our veggies here and noodles. Then it's time for the sauce. When adding the sauce, just make sure you just spread it all over. Rest of the veggies. Now it's time to mix them all. Make sure the sauce and veggies will be all around the noodles. Voila guys, this is how you do Thai stir-fried noodles at home. So guys, thank you for watching us. Bon appetit. I hope you will try it out and let us know in the comments what do you think about these noodles, and maybe you have different type of idea for us, so maybe we can try that out. So guys, wishing you all to have a nice evening. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. So goodbye guys.